Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather, and in this video we are going to have a detailed review of the AUKEY MagFusion GameFrost Qi2 magnetic wireless charger with active cooling. So we are going to talk about its design, features, cooling effect, hardware, while performing a quick unboxing as well. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's start with the unboxing. Here on the retail box, we got the picture of the MagFusion GameFrost wireless charger, a picture of the device being used with a smartphone, and some of the highlighted feature of the device that it comes with active cooling system, Qi2 15-watt wireless charging, quiet fan, and a strong magnetic force for MagSafe compatibility. It comes with this quick peek option as well, from where you can have a look on the device inside. Some of the stuff like the AUKEY MagFusion GameFrost comes with AUKEY's Omnia Fresh Tech technology. Once again a picture, and here is our device. This is a magnetic closer. So here is the magnet, and then you can open it like this. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here is a very nice braided USB Type-C cable, a quick start guide, user manual, and here is our AUKEY MagFusion GameFrost wireless charger. So these are all of the stuff we got inside the retail box of AUKEY MagFusion GameFrost: the wireless charger, USB Type-C cable, and the quick start guide, user manual. Talking about the design and build quality, here we got the AUKEY branding. There is a USB Type-C port provided that will flow the current to the device to work as a wireless charger and turn on its fan and the lighting. We got these vents for the flow of the air. The same goes here at the top as well. At the bottom we got this shiny part beneath which there is a strong magnet, as this is a MagSafe charger. And here we got the Omnia Fresh branding. At the top we got 3 buttons. So we got these small markings as well, but they're pretty tiny. As you can see, this is for turning on the charging. A flash marking. Here is the marking of a snow, so this is for the cooling, and this button is for the light. Here is LED light on this part to show the temperature, and the fan also comes with LED lighting. Unfortunately, it's not RGB, it's just plain white LED light we got here. So once you turn it on, once you connect the USB Type-C cable to the charger, you can see we got the lighting on the fan. We got this LED lighting showing the temperature. You can switch between different modes like the breathing, off, or static for the fan, and then you can change the fan speed as well. So right now it is switched off. You can see the fan is started, and this is the maximum fan speed. So we've got 3 levels of fan speed: number 1, number 2, and number 3. And if you press and hold the fan for a bit, then you can change the temperature indicator from degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit as well. Press and hold once again for 3 seconds and it will be changed to degree Celsius. And once again we got the wireless charging button here. Press it once to start wireless charging, and until and unless you won't press it again, it will stay on. And whenever you want to stop wireless charging feature on this wireless charger, you can press it once. So it is not as huge as some of the other wireless charger or smartphone coolers, and it is not heavy as well. So if you attach it with your smartphone and use it for a while for playing games, etc., you won't feel much difficulties or issues. The magnet we got here is pretty strong, as you can see. So when you're using the AUKEY MagFusion GameFrost wireless charger with your smartphone, you don't need to worry about your smartphone falling out of this. Another good thing about the design of AUKEY MagFusion GameFrost is that you can use as a smartphone stand as well. You can just move the direction of the USB Type-C port to the side, then connect the USB Type-C cable here, and now it works as a stand. So if you are doing something, watching videos or making a voice call, etc., you can do this with this wireless charger as the smartphone stand. It also comes with multiple protection technologies like the foreign object detection, temperature control, overheat protection, as well as radiation safety. So the AUKEY MagFusion GameFrost wireless charger comes with Omnia Fresh technology. Of course, we got a fan inside, but it also comes with Peltier thermoelectric solid state active cooling. So what exactly it does, it sucks the heat from one side, push it on the another side, and then this fan works like the exhaust fan and just throws out all of the heat from it. So it's not just the fan that cools the charger itself, it actually sucks the heat from the device it is attached to. In our case, it's going to be a smartphone most of the time, and then transfer it on the other side and then throws it out. And this is the reason that it is way better compared to other wireless charger with just a fan built in them. So right now you can see it is showing 32 degrees. That is the ambient temperature of my room right now. And here is my iPhone that is pretty hot right now because I was charging it. I'm still charging it. So if I attach this AUKEY MagFusion GameFrost charger to it, let's see how much temperature it is going to show. I have switched off the fan, so you can see the temperature is rising because the device is hot. The frame, the back panel, everything is hot. So as you can get the idea, the device is pretty hot, 40 degrees Celsius. Started from 32, right now at 40. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn on the cooling on our charger here, and let's see how much temperature can be controlled now. So right after starting the fan, the temperature is going down, 37, pretty fast, you can see. And I'm still charging my phone, as you can see, it's still connected, 31 degrees Celsius. The frame is still quite hot, but the back panel is cooling down now. The frame is cooling down as well. The frame is pretty much at the normal temperature and the back panel as well. And this is the maximum fan speed, so it's not quite loud. Of course, you are going to feel it, the sound coming out of it. So now it's at 25 degrees Celsius. So 15 degrees Celsius reduction very quickly. So that's quite impressive because now the frame, the back panel, everything is pretty much at normal temperature, and when I'm touching around this area, it's even feeling cooler than this part. So where the charger is attached to the body of the phone, it is totally sucking the heat from the body, especially from that part, distributing all over the atmosphere, and the temperature is going down and down at 24 degrees Celsius right now. So that's quite impressive for sure, especially when it comes to high-end gaming, or if you're recording 4K resolution videos for a long duration, or you are just charging the device. iPhones are quite infamous when it comes to heating the device during the charging process. So now if I just remove it, so this part is really cooler compared to this part. So if you are going to use it for a while, like continuously playing the game or charging, it will keep going down and you won't feel any issue, any throttling issue or etc. while playing the games, recording 4K resolution videos, or charging the device if you are using the AUKEY MagFusion GameFrost with your smartphone. So this is all about the cooling, but this is actually a wireless charger. Here I am charging my iPhone with this USB Type-C cable, but I can directly charge my device with the help of AUKEY MagFusion GameFrost as well. It comes with Qi2 15-watt wireless charging that you can use with any of your iPhone or MagSafe compatible wireless charging smartphone. So right now you can see it is not being charged. All I have to do is just connect it, and wireless charging is started. As you can see, if you want to turn it off, you can just press on this button here, and charging is turned off. Press it once and the charging will be started. It's that simple. Charging off, charging is started. So if you're planning to buy a magnetic wireless charger with active cooling technology, then the AUKEY MagFusion GameFrost is one of the best options for you, as it is quite beautiful, lightweight, comes with a strong magnet, Qi2 15-watt wireless charging, and a very powerful active cooling technology, as we have seen earlier in this video. If you're interested in buying this, then you can visit the link given in the description of this video, or you can click the one appearing at the top right corner. And if you enjoyed watching this video, if you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.